you guys, and we are all going to witness one tonight as we crown the new Miss Universe Philippines. The Miss Universe Philippines will be crowned with the La Mer and Majestic crown from Julamer, embellished with golden South Sea pearls, considered as the Queen of Gems. Each living pearl is a testament to Filipinos' heritage, rarity, uniqueness, and diversity, a symbol of wisdom and enlightenment, emanating the grandeur of a national treasure. Okay, Mara Arena, I want to know, who do you think is going to take home the crown?
Bulacan. Bulacan.
The name we will announce first is our new Miss Universe Philippines, followed by the first runner-up. Alden, you look too ready.
I'm so tense. And
Me
excited.
too. Oh my gosh.
Very graceful sumagot eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment
Final,
of truth.
ano niya. Touch niya ng
Our Miss
Q&A.
Universe Philippines 2024 is... Bulacan! And our first runner-up,
Congrats, Bulacan. Ah, congrats, Bulacan. Bulacan, congrats. Congrats, congrats. Oh my God, Chelsea, manalo. Oh my God, Bulacan. Wow, yes, yes. Congrats, Bulacan, Miss Universe.